my gosh, this looks crazy. Hi. Okay, so put on a tube top, which is what I'm most comfortable in all the time. Also, I'm doing a TikTok live right now. I didn't turn it on yet. But also, I don't have my ring light in front of me, so the lighting isn't the best. Also, I'm on a time limit, so let me also do a little video of my setup right now. It's crazy. So I have my mirror right here, and I have y'all propped up on this, and yeah. So I'm getting ready to go to the beach. I'm gonna start my TikTok now. I washed my face. Why does my face look like that? So I'm using my moisturizer, which is the Paulas Choice. I'll leave everything down below, but I wanted to include skincare because skincare is very important when you're going to the beach, because obviously there's a lot of sun there. Now, sunscreen. Sunscreen is so important. I'm using this one. It's the Alba Botanica Sensitive Mineral Sunscreen SPF 30. And I just like dot this. It's very like white, but you know, Sarah Chung uses it, so I use it. But if you just rub it in gently, it's fine. Also, I'm willing to sacrifice a white cast in order to protect my skin. Also, don't forget your neck, and you want to be real gentle with your skin. Not that I'm like have the best skin, but Sarah Chung has beautiful skin, and I'm using what she uses, so hopefully my skin will be fixed. But also, I just got off birth control, so that's why I'm breaking it out probably. Okay, so my plan: eyebrows, concealer, powder maybe. Even though I'm going to the beach, I don't want to look fugly, so, and mascara. Also, I don't really like to go in the water because the ocean scares the shit out of me, and like all the waves just like hit you, and it's so fucking cold. So it's just, so yeah, anyways, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Hey Google, play Jhené Aiko Chilombo album.
Jhené Aiko on Spotify.
I have a pimple right where my fucking eyebrow is. Looking at my skin this close is really making me feel so bad about myself. Do you ever wonder how your eyebrows would be if you didn't like pluck the shit out of them in like middle school? Because same. I'm gonna go over that with powder, and I'm gonna use the Anastasia chocolate brow powder duo, and I'm gonna take the lighter shade and then put it in the middle, I mean on the front, the beginning. Oh my gosh. And just like not that much, just want to like have it be feathered and stuff. Okay, that's a little darker than I was going for, but it's okay. I'm confident with any type of brow on, except maybe black. I'm spending way too much time on my eyebrows, but it's okay. Gonna put some concealer and clean it up, even though that's not natural, and then people are gonna be looking and be like, why is she wearing makeup at the fucking beach? But it's okay. If I even am going to the beach, because I have to like be there at my boyfriend's house in an hour or something. I don't know if I like that. This brow is pissing me off actually. I feel like I want to cry because it be like that. You ever feel like you just want to cry? I'm dramatic. Okay, I'm gonna cover my pimples now. I'm using the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. Well, correction, I'm gonna cover my pimples and my acne scars, because some of them are like just scars from me picking the fuck out of my face. Ooh, this YouTube video is gonna be boring, kind of, maybe. I'm gonna use this brush that I used to like do this, and I'm just gonna like tap it so that the coverage stays in one place. Fucking nose, man. I think I have allergies or something because my nose has been itching for the past like 3 days. You can also use a foundation brush for this part, but my foundation brushes are dirty. Also, is there a mess in my background? No. But my room is messy, but we're normalizing not being perfect because it's 2020. So this concealer was like kind of lighter than my skin, but it's fine. I'm gonna go in with Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder with a big powder brush, and this shit will blend it. Also, don't put makeup on if you plan on going in the water, like in the ocean and with your face in it. I don't like to go in the ocean water because I feel like it's so gross and I'm scared of the ocean, and I don't know, salt water I heard is like good for your skin. Maybe I'll put highlight on to like have that glow. I don't know, just because I'm making a YouTube video. If I wasn't, I would just do this and that's it. So my most natural, maybe I should use one that's still for sale. Hold on. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, which is not like my skin color, but whatever, it's fine. I haven't used this in forever. I'm just gonna take a little bit though because this shit has like so much glitter on it. Oh wait, I forgot mascara. So yeah, I'm gonna put the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara on, and I like to look down when I'm doing that. I feel like it helps me get from the roots to the tip of my eyelashes. Okay, that's, oh shit! I caught it. And they're looking a little clumpy, so I'm just gonna go in with the Benefit Roller Lash and just kind of separate them because I am going to the beach after all. I don't want people giving me weird looks. But actually, who gives a fuck? If people like need to mind their business, you know? If I want to wear makeup, then I'm gonna wear makeup to the beach. Maybe I'll put a flower just for the thumbnail. And I'm gonna put some some chapstick. This one is bomb. The Laneige sleeping mask. It's like a lip sleeping mask, but I use this like whatever time of the day because it's bomb. Keeps your lips hydrated. Okay, that's it. That's it for my tutorial. I'm gonna put my bathing suit on. I'm gonna go off TikTok live now, but follow me on Instagram if they ban TikTok. I'm really sad. I'm also gonna turn my camera off because I'm gonna change. So my room is dirty, but again, we're not perfect, so it's fine. It's 2020. But this bikini is so cute. This is the first time I'm putting it on, like, gonna wear it, you know? And yeah. Also, I forgot to mention, going with my boyfriend and his family, so I wanted to have like a little more coverage. So I'm covering my tummy. And then the butt is like not super thongy, which I don't wear thong bikinis to begin with, but like just want to be more full coverage. And this is like the back of this. It's very strappy and secure. So yeah. Also, I'm gonna do a Kulani Kinis haul. I only have 3 bathing suits, but like I'm gonna do one. And yeah, bye.